We love a sunny day, until we don't. That's when the right Bimini makes all the difference. Introducing the Premium Rigid Bimini. Built to last the whole day, so you can too. Its rigid frame integrates seamlessly into the tower, sharpening the boat's silhouette while delivering expanded coverage without the bulk. And overhead, it's more than just shade. It's storage. 4 boards stashed up top, easy to grab, out of the way, and freeing up space everywhere else. And although it's an upgrade, it's not simply an add-on. It's purpose-built and custom-fit specifically for the Z9 tower on the X family and the Z100 tower on the X-Star family. The fabric itself is just as premium as the frame. Marine-grade textiles built for real days on the water, resisting sun, mildew, and water, holding strong season after season. Color that stays sharp, protection that doesn't fade, performance that lasts. And when the sun's relentless, you can take shade even further. Clip on the optional extensions. Lightweight, easy to set up, and stretching coverage forward into the bow and back over the transom. Perfect when you're anchored, rafted up, or just posted in the cove for the afternoon. And when you're done, they tuck neatly under the seats until you need them again. It's all-day comfort, smarter storage, more thoughtful design. Built to make the entire day better. The Premium Rigid Bimini, only from MasterCraft.